In the previous section, we have enabled the organization using Salesforce Lightning Migration Assistant, prepared the organization with the Migration Assistant, prepared the users with Lightning experience, with custom profiles, permission sets, and also observed various test cases, as well as the rollout plan, the strategies available, as well as optimizer. Section 2, the Lightning configuration, we will see the drag and drop tools development, the point and click tools development, where no coding is required. And we will understand the Lightning apps, how to create, how to test, how to deploy to the users. The Lightning page layouts, how the classic layouts are used in the Lightning page layouts. Then using the Lightning app builder, how to select the template, app page template, home page template, record page template. How to create, how to edit the Lightning pages of those templates. And very importantly, how to assign the Lightning pages to the users. As well as we also discuss the Lightning reports and the Lightning dashboards and considerations for using classic reports and dashboards in the Lightning experience. Okay, let's see the app launcher. In this video, we're going to take a look at the app launcher by clicking on the app launcher icon and tested what are the assigned standard Lightning apps as well as the custom Lightning apps for a user. We have confirmed ourselves that we are in Lightning experience because of this app launcher. Once I click on the app launcher icon, I am looking at apps. All apps which are assigned to me. I am an user. Some apps are assigned to me like Service Lightning app, Salesforce Chatter Lightning app, Marketing Lightning app, and any custom Lightning apps are there. And all items like Lightning pages, Lightning tabs. How to switch from one app to another app. So I might be having sales or marketing or something, or even set up here how to access app launcher. Then let me go to either marketing app, that is nothing but marketing Lightning app, or let me go to sales Lightning app. So we have some tabs, opportunities, leads, tasks of the app. You find icon, a branding for the Lightning app. Like classic app, we can also brand the Lightning app as well through a custom Lightning app. So we have seen the app launcher by clicking on the app launcher icon and tested what are the assigned standard Lightning apps as well as the custom Lightning apps for a user. Of course, we have not yet developed any custom Lightning app, so we could not see anything. After developing a custom Lightning app, we will see the same in the app launcher.